Okay, perfect. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are. This is César Trabanco from Global Chamber, and we're running our monthly Young Global Leaders event. And for this month, I thought about our members and friends of Hermosillo, Mexico, Necodex. Necodex is a nearshoring IT back office service provider that is helping companies in the US and Canada and looking to expand. They've been members of the Global Chamber for many years now. I would say it's 5, 6 years more or less.
Yeah.
And so I thought about them. They're if you know their team, they're all young. They're all young people, young entrepreneurs. So that's the perfect mix. And the topic AI, which is pretty hot right now. And so Rodolfo told me I have a presentation already set. I'm speaking about this, and I think it was in Phoenix in another chamber. So I say, okay, let's go for it. And I do apologize. It's 7 a.m. Right now their time, but we tried to cover the whole world. So thank you, Rodolfo. I'm gonna give you the floor, and I want this to be like a panel forum. So everyone feel free to jump in with questions or comments. And yeah, that's it, Rodolfo. Thank you and welcome.
Thank you so much, Cesar, for the introduction. It was an amazing years working together with Global Chamber. Just remember when we joined the Global Chamber, we just trying to know how to start to the US market. And now we can say that almost 100% of the customers are located in there on there, and all of this was possible. Thank you for Global Chamber. So I just want to say thank you to Global. And today we are going to talk about some AIs that can be helpful for a business. Uh, there is some tools that I use day by day, and it is very useful because we have to know we have an amount of energy in a day, and we have to know how to spend that energy efficiently. So what I do to do more tasks and more efficiently, how can I do in a day? I start using the AI some months ago, and they give me some very good results. Um, but before, I'm gonna share the presentation. So, but before to talk about the benefit of AI, I wanna we're gonna talk about what AI means. By definition, an AI is an artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent systems that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence, learn from experience, and make decisions or prediction based on data and algorithms. We have to we had to, to learn about these keywords. Check this. Human-like intelligence, learn, experience, make decisions, and based on data. Okay. I I like to explain AI like it's like a brain, but with infinite energy and infinite time. What that means, this brain have access to all the information in the cloud, and you can teach this brain to uh, how to specialize in maybe in healthcare, customer service, marketing, and each day this gonna learn a new feature. So um, when when you understand the base on the AI, you know, okay, this can be helpful for several kind of topics. But the difference between a human and artificial intelligence is this is 100% time can be working. It has infinite energy and infinite time. So, okay, we have to understand this is not the future. It's today, and we have to start using AIs because this the way this is moving on is so fast. Actually, today we are gonna working on an AI that is very focused on customer service, and the results that we just have are so impressive. And well, let's talk just a little bit about some how AI can help us. Is there are different kind of industries or domains we can in automation and efficiency, decision making, customer service and support. This is gonna be in the pretty near in the future is gonna be one of the biggest changes for all companies, for back office and call center services. They are gonna start using AI. Why? Because this AI can understand what the customer is saying by voice and text. And before you have to wait to start talking to some people, you will be able to talk with directly with AI, and the AI will be able to respond you in your own language. So that is completely the changes, the revolutionary technology that is happening right now. So this is one of the big changes that is coming on. Actually, Microsoft Teleperformance that make a deal right now. Microsoft is working on the AI to teleperformance. So that is one of the big changes. Data analysis and insights. You are working in the big company and you need to have you have a complete team of business intelligence. You have to wait time to have the reports. Right now, you only have to put your database in on the AI, and this we're gonna give you all the analysis and business intelligence that you need just in a few seconds. Maybe it's not what you're looking for, but you can have results just in a seconds. That is completely different. Is an amazing tool that is right now working. And personalization. Personalization is there are a lot of e-commerce that right now they are using machine learning and some AIs that can start learning from your preference, and they know if you want to buy some blue shirts by end of the month, blue color with special offers, they're gonna start sending to you some special offers, and just done programming is a continuing learning by the AI, and it will trying to give you another promotion and start learning. You are looking for that or done, and the e-commerce that is using AI, the sales are growing up so fast because they learn from the customers. And these two last domains industry, I really like these two, is content writer and storytelling, because there is a lot of time when you are looking to put some posts on your LinkedIn or Facebook, where to put some useful information, but you don't have the time. So right now you can use this platform to generate content, and you can have the ideas, actually the text. Okay, I like this way, we're gonna change, give you your feedback, and just in a few minutes you're gonna have very completely content to put in your LinkedIn with information and with your feedback. And storytelling, it's amazing that some AIs can create a presentation just with a sentence. Just put a sentence. This AI will be able to create a completely presentation. We will see the in some tools that I'm gonna teach today how to use. Okay, so let's blah 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 and more. Let's do it. So these are some AIs and platforms and tools that are very useful. I'm gonna give you this list today. In the end of the presentation, I'm gonna give you a link when you can saw more than 100 AI that can be helpful for you. But today we are gonna go basic, and this AI can help you to generate content. The first one and the king of all is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, I don't know if someone don't know, someone was living in the rock and don't know what ChatGPT is. Well, we're gonna check today how this works. Okay, ChatGPT is a NPL no programming language to create human-like conversational interaction. What this means is ChatGPT was created to start a conversation and you can feel you are talking to another human, not a computer. So, for example, how are you today? Okay, this doesn't work. This the answer was like a computer, but we are gonna have some in what you can do and what you cannot do with ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, someone trying to generate some cool emails, some marketing emails, and just copy paste and send into all the possible customers leads. I truly don't recommend you do that. For example, if you do that, let's create cool, a good email for locksmith services. So ChatGPT is gonna start creating this cool email, but if I don't give you the right input, the right information, it's gonna try the best. It's like in the life. If you say to an expert on to creating cool emails, they're gonna, and you only give you this feedback or information, they're gonna do their best. Also, ChatGPT do it. If you can saw this this answer of ChatGPT is pretty general. What it say, keywords, this doesn't say anything to the objective. This doesn't say any objective. They are all general. They just put SEO, local list optimization, social media marketing, pay-per-click. It doesn't say anything that can be helpful for the possible customer. So why these some people use it like this and send the email? This is not gonna work. What I truly recommend to use ChatGPT is more like give me some ideas for cool email for locksmith. So this is a different because they are gonna start give you some ideas in what you can do and how you can do it. So now in this way is where the AI are useful. I'm sorry, did you raise your hand, Ana Paula?
Oh, it's okay. I already wrote it in the chat, but I wanted to share that I usually use it to, like, when I have a lot of ideas and I don't know exactly like the structure the idea has to have. So I asked to like help for the AI. And sometimes it even gives me like more ideas or another different perspective. So it's really nice. Just like be careful that to not share like sensible information. Or sometimes honestly I just change if it's like a name or of a company or something more specifically, I switch it and I just put another thing. I don't know if it can work because I know the AI is learning, but it makes me feel like safer when I put like some information into this platform. So I just wanted to share that.
Yeah, actually, that is a very good way to use ChatGPT, because if you're not using to generate the final content and the final text, and just to as a tool to help you to organize ideas or give you some ideas, that's gonna help you to save time, and that is the the focus right now that AI can help with, is to save time, not to do all the work, because is it the normal, if we talk about energy and human energy, is some task to generate one of these full images or part of the sequence take you 40% of the energy. Now it's gonna take the 20, because you're using this platform to think for you about some topics, but the creativity, the market objectives, you are the expert and you know how to deal, how to send information to your customers. So using that way, and that is how it's gonna work. I'm using ChatGPT all days. Actually, my position in Necodex is the sales, and I have some measures. When I start using ChatGPT, I start growing up my sales, because I'm using for some activities that take time for my day. Right now, they don't take so much time, so I have more free time to continue focus on sales. So in that way, it's how I grow my sales. So it's ChatGPT is not closing sales, but it's helping to me in another task to have more time focused in the things that real matters. Hey, Gabriela.
Hello, good morning, Rodolfo.
Good morning.
Thank you for the presentation. I have a question. Why do you use ChatGPT 4 and not 3? What's the difference?
Okay. When do I use ChatGPT? ChatGPT, I use it for when I want to put some information on my LinkedIn, for general information. I use it to get data and information. So ChatGPT is very helpful in that, because I don't have to be looking for information. I don't have to be maybe losing time in some general topics. So I just put that information, and ChatGPT give me the ideas how to do it. So right now I don't have to start with the process of creativity just to, what do I do today to post about technology? I don't have to think in the topic. I don't have to think in the data. So they give me all the information. They create some example text. Now I just give me my insights, complete the text, and put in my LinkedIn, and also for my emails when I working with my sales team, and they are gonna put some sequence to send emails. We use ChatGPT to reduce the amount of time in creating this sequence, is focusing in the ideas and the data, and at the end, ChatGPT give us some ideas on how to structure the information, and at the end, we create the final text. This saves up to 20% of time, and actually the percentage of closing sales goes up starting when we started using these AIs. So,
but I have still have the question. Why do you use the version 4 and not the 3? What's the difference between two versions?
Between the two versions. Okay. Actually, the difference is just ChatGPT is they have more skills to give you. Let me know how to explain to you. The full version, the paid version of ChatGPT, have knowledge about more sentimental things, is have more data, and the answers are more like a human, more near to like a human. If you use the free, is good, but the answers is not so structured as the version 4. Why? Because ChatGPT is based in 4 models. These 4 models, the first the first 4 models for ChatGPT 3.0, they is when start learning the training, but the 4, these are more advanced, and you can have more structure and ordinated and better answers for final answer. For final my answer is, you will have better answers if you use the premium ChatGPT.
Thank you, Rodolfo.
And well, everyone knows about ChatGPT is very useful. I truly recommend to use the paid version, because is truly the difference is you will see the difference between the answers. So another AI is Predis. If this AI, I recommend to people who doesn't have someone that can help you to post content on your LinkedIn or Instagram. So if you want to start to put some posts on your Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and you don't have someone to help you, you can use this AI. The name is Predis.ai. It's a social media marketing with AI. So how this works, you have to sign up. It's 100% for free, and you are gonna put all your you're gonna sign up your profile, business profile, put your logo, information, some keywords, and if you want to create some posts, you only have to click in this button, this create new, click on this, and they are gonna ask you some for some things. Is what do you want to create today? Is pick your choice or post. What are you looking to post? An idea, business, a meme for e-commerce, quotes. Actually, it's help you also for quotes, special days, manual, multi-line script, blog to post. Let's do it for business. Business, if you are talking about the same example for locksmith services, how do you describe yourself, your business, locksmith services? What do you sell, promote, locksmith services? Who's your customer, car owner, house owners? What benefits do they get? Keys, input language, and output language. So you can describe here your business. It is maybe marketing services, or is as nurture services. You just have to change the keywords, and then point number 3 is, what do you want to generate? For this specific example, for a business, is you can create a single image, a carousel image, or even a video. You can generate just the option for free. Also, you have more advanced options. You can change, for example, for the video, what kind of pose of tone do you want in the video, the style of on the pose, professional, playful. You can add more of this information. For example, minimal. You can give you more input to the AI. And for the palette for AI, you can right now he's taken from when we type the profile, he's using this color from the palette of color my brand, or I just can say, hey, AI suggests for palette, because it depends of the what I'm looking to create. They are gonna okay, the best way to close a sale or to talk about this topic. General, we use these colors, so it's gonna suggest to use that color. Okay, so you just have to put generate post, and just in a few seconds, it's gonna generate 2 options. And when you can is editing, and you can change. Example, this is ready. Now, this isn't a video, it's just generate just in a few seconds. You can change you can change the text, you can change the images. My recommendation is just to use it for images and not for videos, because videos, there is no an AI that can create very, very good videos for free. If you want to create videos, there are another AIs more helpful. If you want to use for some text and images, they are so good. So actually, you can actually change the text as whatever you want, but it gives you a complete image with text, with image, and all the information that you need to start post on your social media. So this tool, I just recommend to someone who doesn't have someone from marketing or someone who can help you to create designs. So in you are looking to start a post on your Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, this is a very helpful tool. And another tool that I want to talk about today is Writer. This is one of my favorites AI because this helps you a lot to generate content. If you are looking to generate content for a blog section, for a job post, or whatever you want, this is gonna help you a lot. Let's check it out. But the first thing, you can select the language. You have a lot of language here. You can generate the content. Also, this is super, super useful. Select the tone of what you're looking to create, because you can select formal or candid, casual, be critical, be enthusiastic, be funny, be joyful, be passionate. You can select the tone. It depends in the market you are looking to go, and the tone is completely changed in how create the text and storytelling in the text. I use it a lot for job descriptions. Sometimes I want to be creative, but I just give you some ideas to read and start writing some pretty funny and very creative job descriptions. So I use it. So because that is our business, do a lot of job descriptions. And but also if you want to create an email or someone for Twitter, LinkedIn that you are looking to put on, or for this is very good, blog session writing. You want to create this blog and you want some ideas on how to talk about some topic and generate content for you for the SEO or your website, that is going to be 100% helpful. If you are starting in as a content writer, or you are working as a content writer, or you have people working as a content writer in your company, you should share this app. This is gonna help a lot. Here in Necodex, we work with a marketing agency located in Phoenix, and I share with all the team some of these AIs Now they are creating more posts. They're doing more efficiently, and they are having better results. And that's because they are using now this app. Let's check an example for job description. I want the tone. I want to be passionate, and the job role is senior. Java script. And no. And you can select one variant, two variants. What that means is some options that the platform gives you, and you can select the best one. I just select one and just use the text and start making some change for the final text. And you can select the creativity level. Is no creativity, low, high, max. So let's just put optimal. Click on write for me, and you just have to wait some minutes. And here you are. This is the complete job description for this role. What I say is, are you passionate and talented senior software developer with experience in JavaScript, React, and Node? Do you thrive in fast-paced collaborative environment where innovation is encouraged? So the tone change and give you a complete job description that I can use, or I just make some change and or give you the idea how to do it, and help me to say it. This help me and save like a 40% of the time to create a new job description. So it is very helpful. And I'm just talking about this topic because it also can help you with business pitch ideas. If you want to generate this business pitch idea, you can put all the information and it's gonna give you that output too. So this is one of my favorites, AI. And this Flicky is a video creator with AI. Let's check how it works. This Flicky is another example. It's pretty similar to Predis, but as I say, Predis is more focused on to generate images, content, different with Flicky. Flicky is more focused to generate the videos. There are not AIs more powerful, but this AI is completely 100% free, and you are just looking to start learning how to use to generate videos for free with AI. This platform is where you can start. So an example is new file. Is just gonna put new file here. Is global chamber. Okay. Now, which is the difference? This AI is focused on videos, so they create sense. What that means is I can select the voice selection, the voice that is gonna talk, because I just have to put the text, and this will create the voice by artificial intelligence. So I don't have to record my voice to start with a video, because as we know, in the traditional way, we had to record someone, we had to create the text, we have to record the voice, the video, and then start editing. Now we can just save time, a lot of time, because even for the text, we just created using ChatGPT. For example, here. Is create a video for this that talks about the AI. Okay. Now this start give me some sense and give me even the title, give me some text, also the scene. That means the scene is the video that you can select and put on Flickr. I'm not gonna change everything. I'm just gonna copy and paste these things. The text is says, "Welcome to Flickr, Voyage, the intriguing world of artificial intelligence." I just gonna copy the text and I'm gonna put this here. Oh, I don't copy completely. And then the send is a sunrise, the horizon line, we see it's on robots and computers. Let's see if Flickr has something like this, because they can search in the library just using text. Maybe you don't have something like this, but just gonna select this background video. And now I'm gonna put and play. So in that way, as fast as this, we just create a video. And you want to add another scene, just add another one. I will go to ChatGPT. The next scene is this text. And the scene is Swift Zone with a computer chef. Just gonna use this. Now, and the new scene. And as fast as this, you can create a video. So we are gonna finish because it's long, but you can do it with some videos you want to create. Maybe in just 20 minutes or 50 minutes, you will be able to just create a video, post on your Instagram, LinkedIn, and that's it. And Tome is another AI. It depends in what you're looking for. Again, Tome is created to create storytelling. It's focused on storytelling, but you can use it to create presentations. It's so fast and it's impressionant. It's impressive in how this AI can create and complete the presentation just with a key phrase. just with a keyword. I just have to put on create, and I gonna, what do you want, what do you like to do is AI benefits. Now they give you the general information. Just have to click on continue and start creating the presentation. As you can see, start creating only the text and then continue to create the images. All of this information was created on real time. So they give you the title, is the power of AI, unlocking the benefits. They give you what we are not talking. Just all of these images was created with an AI. They give me this give me to me the information. Hi, Adri, you just raised your hand.
Hi, hello. Oh, I didn't know about this AI. So my question is if you can do it as personal as possible, or it has to be like a typical topic.
No, you can use it as personal as you want, and you're using just general topics in these examples. But even if you start using more personal or more detailed for the description you want to create, it's gonna be better the result you have.
Oh, and I want to
Good.
add something. In the other hand, like if you have already like a PDF or a Word or, you know, like a research or, for example, you can like upload your file, and what it's going to do, this AI is going to start like, you know, generating every slide based on the file you upload. So it's pretty nice. And if you want, like, I don't know, if you don't like the picture it gave you, you can switch it or, you know, generate another one again. So honestly, I have used it and it's been really helpful. Most of it, I've used it for school, and it really works out really, really good. Even though for me, it's even better than Microsoft PowerPoint, because Microsoft too just added an AI, but they're kind of like, they're not like nice images like this one, or, you know, the information, it's different. So I really like recommend Tom. So it's really nice.
Cool. Thank you, guys.
Hey, Gabriela.
Yes, Rodolfo. So Tom is more for presentations.
Yeah, it's focused on presentation. Actually, the focus is storytelling, because what Tom may do is can create a completed story and talk about some topic, and the results is in a presentation. But even if you are looking to talk about in a conference about a new topic or something, Tommy is gonna help you to generate all of this storytelling and how to and give you all information and data you can have to talk about it, because the focus of Tommy is storytelling, but it's very helpful for presentations. Actually, I don't have the premium in this AI, but I know some guys who have it. And what they do is they just create a presentation on Google Slides, just without any images, just the text, and then download and they upload on this platform with all the information that they give you as an input. And this AI just give you a complete different presentation with all the information, with better structure, images, colors, everything that they need, and just send it. Because as I say, this AI is gonna help you to save a lot of time, but it's not gonna do all the work. But if you want to use this platform for same time creating presentation, it's gonna help you as a graphic designer, help you to create a final presentation. This AI can help you too. Or if you are looking for just some ideas to talk about some topic, this AI will help you to give you information from the introduction, benefits, pros and cons, conclusion, and data in just one sentence.
Thank you, Rodolfo.
Rodolfo, Cesar here. Just time checking. We will need to wrap up like in 5-6 minutes. So
Okay.
so if at the same time to invite anyone else if you have questions or comments, feel free to do it as well.
Okay. Well, the last one is I don't know if this is an AI, but I just put here because it's Franco. Franco is a logo design maker. Is very useful. If you are just if you know someone who is I'm gonna go pretty fast here. Is someone who want to start a business, want to create a logo. Here you just want to put locksmith Phoenix, for example. Select style, continue, and this give you a lot of example of how logos can give you. I'm not saying you can use it one of these. If you like it, you can do it. But what I'm saying is you can use it to have a lot of ideas how your logo could be, and then you can go to a graphic designer and save time. Also, some who works for creating logos, you can share this AI. That's gonna be helpful. And I want to be very focused on this. This AI is not doesn't replace people and less the senior and mid people. These AIs can be super helpful for the junior people because they are gonna learn pretty fast and they can go up and learn faster because these AIs have a lot of knowledge. But what they really do is they reduce the amount of time and energy you spend to create something. Well, that's it. There are some. Let's go for some question and answers.
So there's a question in the chat that Ana Paula already answered, but I wanted to get your comments on that. As Moses is asking, is AI going to end up like the iPhone or my dishwasher, where we use one or two functions and miss out on the full potential? What do you think about it?
What do I think about? Well, AIs, just in a few years, they are gonna be everywhere. So the limit is the sky. So what I really think, just changing a little about the question is, what I really think what the AIs will do is in a pretty near, maybe in the next 5 years, AIs will be like assistants for everyone, a real assistant that is gonna help you to manage all time. There are sometimes you have to do a lot of paperwork just to go to the bank, to do some tasks, pay bills. These AI are gonna have capable to take all of these tasks that just take time from life, and they are gonna do it for us. So in that way, you are gonna have time to spend time with family, friends, and just don't be more productive. Just enjoy more the life.
Well, this is Moses and Rodolfo. Thank you very much for that question, for that answer. Sorry. My question actually relates to the fact that none of us reads any instruction manuals when we buy a tool, when we buy an equipment. And an AI to me is going down that same road, which is we have this tool that's being thrown out there and nobody is reading about the possibilities or the functions that we can achieve. So we'll pick one or two and we'll stick with those in our heads. That's human. That's what we're going to do. So we'll do exactly what we've seen here. We'll go on, we'll send in a question, and we'll think that's the best thing that we can get out of AI. My question, once again, is how can you, the industry, drive AI beyond just saying, I'll go in and send a question to Chat GPT and have an answer? Does that make sense?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just have someone laugh on the internet. Well, how to drive? I don't know the answer. What I can tell you is actually there are a lot of things that we don't know how this is gonna be end because this is going so fast. What I just can tell you about some AI is use the AI tools that can be helpful for you, but how this is gonna be end, how this is gonna go, I not truly know. Actually, even we are working in AI, we know how the models works, but the way how the AIs learn are it's so impressive because when you start a model and they start learning, you know what you have at the end. But what did you say? How do we? You look into how to use the AI and take advantage of this. You can learn some about prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the best way you can talk with AI, because if you look into talk with AI just as a normal person, you will have answered, but not that maybe not, it's not the answer you're looking for. Prompt engineering is that way how actually there are right now some roles that are some hiring some people, some business. The role is prompt engineering. What a prompt engineer do is how do I communicate to an AI properly and I can give the best answers and take the more information as I can. So yeah.
I also have heard that
Hey, we gotta move on, César. We got the next meeting starting.
the future of
Yeah, let's give it
PowerPoint,
two more minutes, Doc. That's fine.
the future of the lottery games is going to be gone, because now very soon you're going to guess who is the next winner is going to be. For example, I buy a ticket today, and with AI, I can predict pretty much what the number is going to be, so I go ahead and buy the right ticket. It's just something that is out there, and it's amazing what it can be done. But the future is, and also for the stock market, it will predict what stocks are going to be up, what stocks are going to be down. So it's actually pretty scary.
I was wondering about the stock market too. One last thing, Rodolfo, first of all, thank you. This was excellent, quite informative, opening our eyes to new other AI platforms. And as a writer's coach, you know that writing and getting content, I use a platform for my authors called Blooksy, which has AI built in. But even with that, they cannot really copy word for word when you're writing, because you have to be able to provide your resource, you know, where you got it. Otherwise, then you get into plagiarism. So I want to just caution people on the storytelling, story writing content side. It could be a trigger for ideas, but not necessarily a copy verbatim, just so you don't get into that muddy waters.
Thank you, Dana. Rodolfo, any last word, like 10 seconds?
Oh yeah, so use AI just as a tool, as another platform, as a word or something like that, just to save time in your life, and use it because it's gonna help you to be more efficiently in what you do. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rodolfo, and thanks everyone. I saw, Connie, there's an event on sales, using AI for sales in July. Check the chat, and anyways, we will be sharing the link. And so we're gonna be closing now. Thanks everyone. Thanks Ana Paula as well for adding and helping the chat as well. So have a good one, everyone.
Sure, take care, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.